everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to do something extremely simple. If for those that watch my videos, you know that I'm constantly using my Olio Santo, which literally translates to blessed oil, but it simply is extra virgin olive oil with red crushed pepper. I bought this beautiful bottles in my neighboring town of Sorrento, but all around the Peninsula Sorrentina or the Amalfi Coast, you find this olive oil with the Olio Santo. Let's call it by the right name, so when you get to Italy, and I hope you all get to go to Italy if you haven't already, and you get to Sorrento, you say, oh, Alessandra mi diceva, compra l'olio santo, so that you go ahead and buy it. It's very simple, very quick. So in this bottle fits a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and what I like to do is, I'm just going to remove the top, and I have 2 tablespoons of crushed pepper. So I'll get the crushed pepper in. All right, this will take a little patience, or I could use a funnel, but I couldn't find the funnel in my drawers, and it's very late, and I want to get this done, so I'm just gonna do this. It's gonna work. It worked. Went in. Just lost a little bit on the side. Okay, this is just regular red crushed pepper that I purchased. Actually, I think I got this at Whole Foods, but I've seen it in the supermarket. Everywhere they sell it. Okay, so very simple. Now I'm going to add the extra virgin olive oil in, all the way to the top. Now, the one advice I have is don't use it immediately. You need to leave it for a little bit so that the hot pepper releases its strength of the spiciness into the oil. And you'll see the oil from green will turn into a really deep devil red, as my mother would say. Il colore del diavolo. And it's spicy like the devil. Anyway, that's it. This was a really quick, I really can't say it's a tutorial, but I know lots of people have been asking me about the Olio Santo, and here it is. I'm going to place a lid on it. Do give it a good shake. Keep it in your cupboard in a cool, dry place, and that's it. And use it up. Does not spoil because it doesn't have any wet ingredients in it. And just drizzle it over your favorite food, or even on top of Italian bread that's been roasted a little bit with a little bit. You could scrape the garlic on it and add a little Olio Santo. Just delicious. Well, thank you. Please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. A lot of recipes coming up. I hope you enjoy all my videos as much as I enjoy presenting them to you. Grazie, arrivederci, alla prossima. Ciao, ciao.